Agama 21. It's out. It's not just an installer update. It's openSUSE preparing for new users, HomeLab users, and automated deployments. Let's look at the highlights right now. In the background, I'm installing this on Proxmox just to let you see that see the changes and what to expect when you use Agama to install openSUSE, MicroOS, Tumbleweed, or Slowroll. openSUSE just fixed one of the scariest Linux installer mistakes for new Linux users. Probably the biggest change that you'll see on Agama 21 is that you'll be told when there's no desktop to be installed. That is, it's going to highlight and say, hey, there's no desktop, please choose one. Agama now makes it clearer when no desktop is selected. It'll be highlighted because previous versions made it too easy to install a text-only system by mistake. That is a perfect new users got saved moment. So Agama, it's going to help new users, hopefully. openSUSE is turning its installer into a HomeLab friendly weapon. I don't know about weapon, but it makes it friendlier. Agama 21 redesigned the network connection form and now lets users configure bonding and bridge connections directly from the web interface. Before this required JSON config. VLAN support is also coming soon. Agama 21 finally respects your existing Linux storage setup, so no more deleting it when installing. You had to previously use YAST. This is a huge advancement for users. Agama 21 now reuses existing LVM volume groups and logical volumes, including mounting, formatting, resizing, expanding volume groups, and even creating the volumes in reused thin pulls. Hey, that's good. Is openSUSE preparing for life after Grub? Of course they are. Agama no longer has to be locked into Grub 2 in every case. Products can choose between Grub 2, systemd-boot, openSUSE Grub 2-BLS on supported EFI systems. Now, openSUSE just added a security switch every installer should have. That is, openSUSE just added a security switch every installer should have by default. Agama normally allows a network-based controller of the installer from one computer or mobile device, but that can create security concerns. Agama 21 adds inst.remote equals 0 to disable remote access and allow local only installer access. A little bit of security help. Now, wrong time can break your Linux installation or make you really upset. Agama on openSUSE is fixing that. Agama 21 adds better NTP configuration, including JSON support, auto YAST conversion, a new system section for hostname and time sources, and the rd.ntp boot argument for early time setup. That matters because wrong time can break security network installs and certificates, which you do not want, especially in corporate environments where all the bells and whistles are going constantly. Next, we have the installers becoming automation friendly. That is, the command line tool now gives better visibility into what Agama is doing, which helps with monitoring, debugging, and automated installs. Haven't tried automated installs, but I'm gonna be working towards getting automated installs for my HomeLab needs. So that's it for Agama. It's pretty good, except for when I type Pacific, there's too many Pacifics in there. So I had to type Los Angeles to get the correct time zone for where I live. So for you, that's definitely going to be different. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.